Good morning, welcome to Albert's TV. Into this video, I'm going to show you the new Sony Google TV. This is running in Android 10. So 55-inch, also available in 65 and 43. But for this video, I'm going to show you the 55-inch. And I'm going to show you how to connect, how to install the stand and the basic initial settings. By the way, this is the 2021 model. Kapalit niya yung 55X8000H. So itong model na to is KD-55X80J. So what are the extra features compared to last year model, the 55X80? Number one is the support for wireless headphone. So this model now also support wireless audio. So let's say you have Bluetooth headphones. You can connect to the TV. Or if you want your TV sound will transfer to the soundbar, home theater, or any amplifier receiver with Bluetooth audio, you can transfer the sound of this X8J through Bluetooth. So just do the Bluetooth pairing, and after successfully connected, your TV sound will send to the sound system wireless. So in this video, I'm going to show you by connecting one Sony soundbar. Then one more features which is additional for this model, it supports enhanced audio return control. Audio return channel. Meaning, let's say you have a system, Blu-ray, home theater, or amplifier that support Atmos. The TV can process and send the audio from the eARC HDMI port going to your sound system. So that is the main additional features of this model. So let's start with the unboxing. So hello guys, so these are the accessories for this 55X80J. Power cord, remote control with 2 AAA battery, stand, clip for cable management, simple instruction book, then extension for wall bracket mounting, and the setup guide. Okay, So now I'm going to show you how to connect the pedestal stand. Okay, so our stand has marking, which is marking number 1 and the other is number 2. On this top of the stand, you find the number, let's say number 1, and you check the TV dedicated for stand. There's also a marking which is number 1 or number 2. Okay, so this is number 1. Okay, let's focus. Okay, so let me install the stand. Okay guys, so this part is for stand number 2. There is a marking which is number 2. Then this is the number 2. There is a marking here, number 2. Okay. Then just slip up. But guys, be careful. This part, then up. Insert. Okay, then push. Okay. Same with the other side. Okay, just pull up. So there are marking which is number 1. Push. After that, pull up. Okay guys, so ito na yung KD-55X80J. So ito yung initial setup.
So, merong dalawang option. Meron siyang setup Google TV or setup a basic TV. So, I'll choose first the basic TV because I'm not ready with the Google account. So, I'm going to do that in my next video, how to activate and log in your Google account. So for the meantime, I'm going to use this TV as a basic TV. So watch out and wait for my next video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. So you must on your notification. So this one, I'm going to activate now the auto calibration for sound. So once you enter this one, you position your the remote control from where you're going to sit down in the TV, and the remote control will do the job to calibrate the best settings. Okay. Then this TV also support AirPlay and complete. Okay guys, this is the home screen of 55X80J in basic TV mode. In basic TV mode, I see only a few applications. One is YouTube, Netflix, internet browser, and others. So in basic TV, you still have the basic or the most common application that normally people use, like Netflix and YouTube. So basically, this TV, the eARC port is HDMI number 3. So if you want to connect your Dolby Atmos capable sound system, you must connect to HDMI number 3. So guys, this is the picture settings, the basic settings. We have picture modes. Okay, that's the picture quality. So this TV also has HDR support, SLG, and Dolby Vision, and HDR10 support. Okay. In picture modes, we have Vivid, Standard, Cinema, okay. We have Graphics, and Photo mode. We also have Custom. So I just set this one to Standard. So for enhanced frames, we have the motion flow. Yeah, auto. HDMI. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. See you next time in the next video of this X8J. In that video I'm going to show you how to log in your Google account, how to activate the Google TV for this particular model. Okay guys, see you, bye bye, thank you for watching.